So on this ongoing physical therapy seminar conducted by the local government unit in cooperation with TESDA, ito na po yung the whole group. With venue na po natin ay nandito na po tayo ngayon sa function hall ng Ballesteros Cagayan and lecture time. It's lecture time sa pamamagitan ng ating facilitators coming all the way from TESDA. We came to know that the participants numbered to 52, no? 52 participants. Professionals as well as non-professionals who are so eager and very much willing to undergo this seminar with the purpose of the local government unit to help solve the problem of unemployment. Hoping at least that after the seminar, itong mga 52 participants shall be given the necessary skills in physical therapy na maaaring gawin nila. Magkakaroon sila ng certificate after completing the number of days for the seminar, and the certificate that shall be issued to them shall serve as a license so that they can venture into the business of physical therapy, which is of course a very nice way of what we call an income generating project, an IGP.